Hey guys, so there's no PowerPoint today. We're just going to look and review for this sheet 24.1, and I think I need to go up here to the top where it starts. So this is kind of a big one, so we're just going to go over some practicing complete and incomplete and some grammar. Now what you can do today is you can go back and listen to my read aloud Andrew Jackson, or you can read it to yourself or read it to a family member, and that can count towards your reading time because we're still supposed to be reading 30 minutes every day. So we're going to do this worksheet, so if you need to pause and get out your fish book and open up to 24.1, and we're just going to kind of go through it together, and then you can go back and complete it on your own. So it says part 1, correct the capitalization and add punctuation for each sentence. So rewrite the sentence. So let's look at number 1. And as we remember before we got out of school, that these numbers in the parentheses represent how many mistakes you should find. So you should be looking for 2 mistakes, 3 mistakes, 4 mistakes. So let's look at number 1, and we know that we're looking for 4 mistakes. So John and Nancy went on a trip to the city of Washington to see the cherry blossoms. So what are some things that you notice right off the bat? So we know we're looking for 4 things that need to be fixed. Right, first, John needs to start with a capital letter because it's a name and it's beginning the sentence.
I didn't get that. Could you try?
Nancy is a name, so it needs to start with a capital letter. Oh, good. Washington is a place, so it needs to start with a capital letter. And then we need a period. So that represents our 4 things. So what you would do is write in these blanks, you will rewrite it the correct way. Okay? And then you'll do that with numbers 2, 3, and 4. Uh-oh, we're going crazy. Okay. Now let's, it's just numbers 2 and 3. Oops, okay. Now let's go to part 2. It says change the following singular words to plural. So we know that singular just means one and plural means more than one. So sometimes you'll have to add an S or sometimes ES. So fox, would that just be F-O-X-S? Good, it will be F-O-X-E-S for foxes. So you'll just go through and make the rest of these plural and determine what you need to do. And this says circle the correct tense of the verb. So we're just going to say, is it present, past, or future? And we know a verb is what you do. So our class will go on a trip tomorrow. So does that mean it's happening right now, it happened already, or it's going to happen? Right, it's going to happen, future. So you would circle future. And you'll finish out those. And then it says circle complete if the item is a complete sentence or incomplete if it's not a sentence. Remember that a complete sentence needs both a predicate and a subject. So you'll read these and say, okay, what's the subject? What's the predicate? So ice cream cone. Well, we know that the subject is ice cream cone, but do we know anything about what's going on with the ice cream cone? No, so that would be incomplete. And it says combine the ideas of the run-on sentences in each item to write a single sentence with correct capitalization and punctuation. And remember that and is that linking word that we can add to make an incomplete sentence come together. Okay, so that's what you'll do. So go through and see if you can do those on your own, and you can have a parent check it to make sure that it's right, and then remember to go back and watch my video of Andrew Jackson. Bye, guys.